Hi, this is Kiwi. Kiwi gave a nice steep drop, and this part here, it gave a retracement. This is a low, and here this is a retracement. Basically, it was to the trade they need to take is to retest this trend line. So basically, the trade here, this was around, I think yesterday evening. Let me just check what time was this. Yeah, it was during late New York, and this would have been nice during Asia to test this trend line. Okay, go back to 1 hour. As you can see, this was a nice break here. This swing high broke and gave a nice retracement, and going into Asia, there was a nice trade here going into Asia. So this would have fetched around, so let's say take from here around 30 pips. It would have been from here around 30, 40, 50 pips. It's not bad. Hi, this is cable. This was the price for yesterday. I didn't like the price, even though it gave a higher low, but it did break the highs, this high and also this small high here. Basically, this is the previous day's highs, and it has moved up. So yesterday, this was the price action, broke the trend line here, broke the trend line, and it gave a retracement. This was the retracement, and today it gave this move here, this move. So if I go to 15 minutes, so you can see this is yesterday's high. It broke and it retraced. This was early before 8 a.m. There was a trade here because the previous day high acted as support, and this is after the 8 a.m. around 10, I think. Let me just check here. Yeah, around 10:15. This was the not yesterday's high but previous day's high acted as support as well, because it broke and then it gave a nice retracement here. Any of this part could have taken a trade, and it broke the consolidation area. This was the area. It broke this area, and this part here, there was a retracement during New York. This one, this was the New York. This was around 2:15 p.m. There was a trade here. So I did mark my levels target for this pair around here, but it went beyond now. So, and this move is very steep up, so can expect some kind of retracement at some point of time, because it's very steep up. There's only here one low and a higher low. There's nothing here, and there's some space here as well. So I've drawn this trend line, so we'll see how price unfolds tomorrow. So this one, it is broken here, but it is above this previous day high. So this is what I don't like this. It should break down and then come up to retest, then that would be good. So even though market structure has broken, it shows like it's broken here, but it is still holding above the previous day high. So I don't like this setup unless it breaks down this previous day high, breaks down, like price breaks, assuming it breaks from here and then come back to retest the previous day high. This would have been nice. So the market structure broke here. Since this previous day high acted as support, as you can see, price came down here. This is the I think before 1 o'clock. Let me just see the time. 12:45. It took a stop here, and then it went up and it took a stop here. So it was in a consolidation, but this one is still, it did not violate this support. And here was the structure break. Came a deep pullback and then it moved up. So today was not a very easy market to trade. So anyway, it was the other way around now. This is this was the structure. There. Broke, pull back, and that's moving up.